When it comes to breakfast, you definitely want something that's pretty simple, easy, but you still want it to be fantastic and delicious. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Cuban breakfast sandwich. It's a staple here in Tampa. I love it. Let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna start with the bread. Now, if you can't get true Cuban bread, that is okay. You can use a hoagie or any other kind of bread that you like. Really, it's the technique of pressing, which we'll get to in just a bit. Now, I don't need this gargantuan thing. You wanna make just—
a bit over the top, guys.
It's pretty big. I don't, well, maybe. Look at this.
Like, grab this side and...
So I'm gonna take, let's do this much. That's a good measurement. This much. Does Bruce Mitchell say? About right, Chair?
About right there.
Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to take a nice big sandwich. We'll cut this up for the three of us. But I am going to cut it, but not all the way through. Was that a question?
It's how you ended your sentence.
Yeah, I changed my mind as I'm cutting. I'm going all the way through. I'm cutting it all the way through.
You messed up?
No! Not at all. No, I do want to cut it all the way through. What I want to do is I'm going to take a bit of unsalted butter. Now I have my Blackstone preheating on like medium heat, medium low. You don't want to go fast and furious. You want to take your time, but I do want a decent amount of butter. Now this part I wouldn't say is authentic or traditional when it comes to a Cuban, but then again, a breakfast Cuban's not really authentic either. I want to toast the inside, so I'm gonna go cut side down in that butter and let that cruise while we get to the rest of it, which isn't much. There's not a lot to a breakfast Cuban, but we got some eggs, we have some ham, Swiss, gotta be Swiss cheese, some pickles, some mustard, some mayonnaise. That's all I got. I'll see you in 60 seconds after that bread's toasted. Sweet. It's been 90 seconds. We have that nice, gorgeous little bit of toast. Now again, this is probably not the most traditional part of a Cuban. However, I want that texture on the inside. Now, before we keep cruising, I'm gonna take 2 of my eggs. Actually, for this amount, we might need more than 2. Let's start with 2 and see how we do. CJ.
Yes.
You like that rhyming?
It's 2 and see how we do.
Quit rhyming, I mean it. So sometimes I see a lot of people will do like my dad. They would crack the eggs in a bowl and then scramble like they're angry at it. You know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Come on, come on. I don't want to do that. Let's do 4 eggs actually. I like doing it this way because it gives me some variety of my texture and flavors. Hey, come back. Where's my spatula? We're good. Whew. It's tricking me. I like the idea of having a variety of textures. So I'm gonna leave them like this and then take my spatula, give it a break and a toss. We want it to be kind of the length of our bread, which that's looking pretty good. Yeah, I like this. I feel like some bites are all white and some bites are all yolk, and I'm a fan of that. So do it how you like to. This is how I like to. Let's hit that with a bit of salt and pepper. I feel like salt and pepper, you don't need to go, don't go hard on your eggs. Salt and pepper, that's all you need. Don't overthink it. All right, that's gonna cook pretty quick, so let's cruise. Now I have my bread over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bit of mayonnaise and mustard and evenly put that across the entire surface. The mayonnaise and mustard combination gives us creamy and some of that vinegar punch. That's what we're looking for. I'm also gonna add a bit of ham. You gotta have ham on a Cuban, so lay down some ham and some Swiss cheese and a few pickles. Now the combination of all these things together it's the magic of a Cuban. We need all of these things, so go hard, go for it, make some magic. Now we're gonna take our entire action back. Let's go right next to our eggs. Take our spatula here and kind of like get some of the shape. You might need to just chop over a little bit. Oh, can you see that, CJ? Let me show you this side. A little bit of color, that's what I'm talking about. Now they're not quite finished on the top, but that's okay. Roughly get the size and shape of our bread. Probably should have cut that a little more even, huh, bud?
You need a second spatula?
Nope.
Okay. What the?
There we go.
What the?
All right, now our top piece of bread. Now this is where the Cuban part comes into this glorious sandwich. I'm gonna take my press. We wanna give this some weight. As that bread's toasting, the weight is gonna give us that flat, gorgeous look. Just, come on, stay there. Stay. A little balancing act because I didn't cut very straight. Next time, pay attention to the way you cut your bread. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go roughly 60 seconds per side. What we're looking for is a crispy bread that's kind of flaky, toasty, and all the cheese is melted, and then we're done. That's what we're looking for. So let's say 60 to 90 seconds per side, and then it's time to eat. And we are there. Look,
quick.
Come on. All right, now here is the magic of Cuban. Ready for this? Can you hear this?
I can hear you.
I mean, a breakfast sandwich is a breakfast sandwich, don't get me wrong. Ham, cheese, eggs,
Things like
right?
that.
But when you just go a touch step farther in your technique, should we go full Cuban, like the triangles?
Dude, if we're calling it a Cuban, if it walks like duck and talks like duck.
It's true serum.
It's true serum.
Wrong show. Other set, go watch CJ show. So if you've ever been to Tampa, a real Cuban sandwich, they cut a long bias, just like this. Do you know why, CJ?
I do not know why.
I don't either.
Okay,
I don't know.
cool.
But that's just how they do it. So that's what we're doing. All right, get through oh, come on.
Show me that.
What
Show me
we're
that.
left with is just layers of breakfast goodness.
Oh, that is so
It's good looking.
beautiful.
It's good looking. Now again, this is like we're not reinventing the wheel here. We're not making something crazy amazing. Being a good cook doesn't mean you throw the whole kitchen sink at your recipe and try to add a ton of stuff. It just means using good technique, treating the ingredients with the respect that they deserve. And I deserve a bite of this.
Real respectable like. I'm sorry.
It's a breakfast of champions. You know, like when you're a little kid, you're not feeling good, mom makes you like grilled cheese and tomato soup. She cuts it in triangles.
I do know this.
Wait, triangles, right?
Oh, definitely.
Let me know in the comments below. It's gotta be a triangle because it
Or
just tastes better.
rectangle. I don't know, dude.
Triangle just tastes better. I don't know what else to say. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, simple things. Simple things sometimes shine brighter than the most complicated stuff. This one is a classic example of technique makes deliciousness. I don't know, I tried to come up with a cool phrase. Yeah. I don't need a cool phrase. Sandwich is cool enough. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you're on YouTube, click the subscribe button down below and the bell icon so you get an email every time we post a video. CJ's show, Todd's show, Betty's show, all the fun shows. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I will see you guys in the next episode. I'm gonna kill this. Oh man.